people. So as promised, this is my next these smart looking belts. I need to say this is the first time, oh yeah, maybe second time in my life that I'm really going and picking up belts as such. Earlier I wouldn't even think that belts need to be bought, like like you have an outfit, it's enough. Why do you need a belt and all? But yeah, and so when you buy something from Lavie, it's the nicest part for me is that it's not leather. Really, you heard that right. I don't like leather, yeah, because that's what veganism. It goes against the basic principles of veganism. So, this was a pack of three, a slightly light colored one, which I got. A pack of three was for $1,000. So basically, yeah, I Lavi earned a lot. Like I was a very earnest customer over the weekend. I bought like three pairs of shoes and three belts. Man, that's some shopping, and all of which came for I think 3K. Yeah, pretty much. So, uh, that's what people. It is a good product that you should buy, and even they have a range of belts. So it's not just handbags and shoes; it's even belts. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.